Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial, we will know about width mate in SOLIDWORKS assembly. I insert a part. Now I insert one more part. This part. Open. Okay. Now go to mate. Advanced mate. Width. First of all, in width selection, I select this both faces of this part. In this box width selection, both faces of same part. In tab selection, I select these faces of this part. Okay. See here, this tab will automatically placed in this center of this part. Same here, width mate. Select this two faces. Tab selection, select two faces of this part. Okay. Standard mate. Select this face and this face. Coincident mate. Okay. See here by width mate, the part will automatically placed in center of the other part. This is the width mate. This is very important mate in SOLIDWORKS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.